Hey guys, today we are going to be looking at how to multiply and divide integers using number lines. So our first problem we have is two groups of -3. So I'm going to represent two groups of -3 by starting at 0 and jumping to -3. That represents one group. But I know I have two groups, so I'm going to take another jump the same size, so still size of -3, and that takes me all the way to -6. So two groups of -3 is equal to -6. So now we'll look at 5 times -2, or 5 groups of -2. So now I know I'm going to have 5 jumps of -2 each time. So I'm always going to start at 0, and I jump my first -2. I jump another 2 negatives, a third group of 2 negatives, a fourth group of 2 negatives, and then finally my fifth group of 2 negatives. So when I had 5 groups of 2 negatives each time, that took me all the way to -10. So 5 times -2 was equal to -10. The same thinking can be applied if we're only dealing with positive numbers. So if I have 4 groups of 1, I'm going to start at 0, and my first jump is just 1, but I have 4 jumps to go because I have 4 groups of 1. So here's my second group of 1, here is my third group of 1, and here is my fourth group of 1. So 4 groups of 1 gives me a grand total of 4 units.